Okay, this is just a quick how-to for any of you who haven't used D2L before. I know that one of the things that sometimes is a little bit challenging is learning how to use the drop boxes. So here I'm starting on the first module of our course where you will first encounter a drop box. I'm going to scroll down. You'll see the list. So in each module, in this one I start with the learning objectives for the course, but then in every module you'll see what are the learning objectives for this little chunk of the course, this module, and then you'll see a list of activities. So in this list of activities, you can see there are some links to discussion boards, other places tell you scroll down to see the links, right? The last assignment is to write a short, and I really do mean short here, short response to something that you will have read. And then when you're done, I'm asking you to upload it to the Dropbox. And you'll notice that I say here, follow the instructions carefully. You're going to find that the instructions are attached to the Dropbox. So when I want to see the assignment, I can click on this link to go to the Dropbox, or you'll see if you scroll the whole way down, there's also a direct link to the Dropbox at the bottom. So there are direct links to various things at the bottom of the module here. So I'll click on this. Well, first now you can see the instructions. So as I mentioned there, you'll see that here's the general assignment, then telling you what I'm hoping you will talk about. Then finally I'm talking about how you need to save the document. This is pretty important because this is a writing class. I'm going to be giving you a fair amount of feedback on your writing, and it's going to be easiest for you and for me if I can do that using a Word document. Also, some word processing formats don't play well with D2L. So I'm going to ask you either to use Word, which you can access through the EIU Microsoft 365 account, which you have free access to as an EIU student. When you go into your EIU email online, you also see links to other applications. Or if you use another word processing package, that's fine, but you will find that you should be able to either save or export as a Word doc, that is, in a format that ends with the extension .doc or .docx. Okay, so anyway, those are the instructions, but when I'm ready to upload, I've written my summary, I've read my instructions, I've written my little analysis, I've saved it as a Word doc. Then I'm going to click here on the link to the Dropbox, and there are other ways to get there, but for now, I'm just clicking on the link and waiting for my kind of slow internet. Here you'll see the instructions again, so if you want to remind yourself, was I doing the right thing? You can review the instructions. Then you'll see I have two choices. It says here, drag and drop to upload your assignment. That works in some environments. I'm not sure that it works in all, like on some PCs it might not work. So if you don't want to drag and drop, which would be one way to do it, you can click on upload. This is just like attaching a file to an email, right? Click on upload, and this isn't actually that assignment, but I'm going to click on it anyway. Find the file that you want here, click open. You're still not done though, right? Because you see there's still a submit to Dropbox button here. So after I've opened it, I see the file name appearing here. Now I click Submit to Dropbox. You see I get the little submitted successfully. It also says confirmation email sent. So I will have gotten an email confirming that it was uploaded. Also, you see that it's listed here under submissions. So you have 3 ways to confirm that you did successfully upload your document, and you want to make sure that you do confirm that. Don't just navigate away from the page without noticing, hey, did my document actually get uploaded? The other thing to notice here is that because you can see it, you see it's an active link, you can always come back in and open it up and ask yourself, if you're not sure, oh, did I upload the right file? You could come open it up again and take a look at it. You also, just to let you know, you can add additional files. So if you can't delete this, but you could, if you notice a typo and you wanted to correct it and upload again, you can do that. And you see the date is attached right here and the time, so I will know which one you uploaded most recently if you are worried about that. You can also, I skipped this, but you can leave notes with it. But for now, this is the important thing, is just to know how to upload your submission. Alrighty, hopefully that's helpful to you, but this first assignment really is meant to be just a test to make sure we all can save a document as Word and get it uploaded. I'm also very interested in what you think about your mindset. Thanks.